Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see top 5 vocabulary words which you can use in your day-to-day life. Before proceeding further, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get into the video. The first word is amiable. The meaning of the word amiable is friendly. I have met Jane for the first time. She seems to be amiable. Amiable means friendly. So when you want to say the word amiable or friendly, just replace it by amiable. You can give a compliment to someone that he seems to be quite amiable, means quite friendly. The second word is the word discard. Discard means simply throw away things. The things which you do not use, you discard them. The waste which you do not use, you just discard them. Okay? The third one is the word vacant. Vacant means empty. You vacant a specific area or a property. You just vacant it. You empty it. The next word is consider. Consider means to think about. Like if you want to say someone that I'll think about it and let you know. So what are you going to say? You are going to say, I would consider your suggestion and will let you know. Consider means think about it, that you are grabbing some time and you're thinking about it, so it is called as consider. Okay, I'll consider your decision. I'll think about your decision. Okay, the next one on the list is ambience. Ambience is the surrounding of a place. For example, the ambience of the restaurant was mind-blowing. Ambience means the place which is around the restaurant. Okay. Write down in the comment section the sentence of all the 5 words and we will get back to you soon. Bye-bye. See you.
Sure you hit the like, share and subscribe button. See you all in the next video.